222, peace and power. And I am Nina, Katie's granddaughter, and welcome to KTsAlchmy. I am going over the big book of chart patterns, and we are on chart 13 and 14. 13 is the double top, Adam and Eve, and then 14 is double tops, Eve and Eve. Now, what you're looking at on the screen is the chart pattern number 13, Adam and Eve, a double top. And so the directional bias of these candles is bearish. The pattern type is a reversal. This is letting you know when the market is going to reverse. Pattern description. This pattern occurs within the context of a longer uptrend. The pattern forms two equal highs with one high forming a V-shaped top with a single day's candle touching the high and the other forming a wider, more rounded top. Volume description. The volume tends to drift downward during the formation and expand on the breakout. Measuring technique. Measure the distance between the low and the two highs and subtract it from the breakout level. Breakout confirmation. A close below the lower trend line drawn horizontally across the intervening low between the highs with above average volume. And again, to measure this, you would measure the distance between the low and the two highs and subtract it from the breakout level. Right here. This is the breakout level. No, it's right here. This is the breakout level. And boom. Statistical notes. Formations with more range between highs and lows perform better than shorter ranges. Formations with declining volume with heavy volume on the left top performs better. So if it has more volume here, it performs better. Okay, and so I'm gonna, what just happened? Here's a chart showing you all of the candle patterns we've been over in the last couple of days, which is the Adam and Adam, the Adam and Eve, the Eve and Adam, and the Eve and Eve. And today we are going over the double tops, Adam and Eve, right here. See? You see this? Okay. Now the next pattern is pattern number 14. And it's a double top, Eve and Eve. So we are about to look over this one. And what you're looking at here is again, Adam and Eve double top. This is what it would look like with the actual candlesticks. That's the one we just went over. Now we're moving on to the double tops, Eve and Eve. The directional bias of these candlesticks are bearish. The pattern type is a reversal. So both of these are bearish, which means for sell. Bear means down. Pattern description. This pattern occurs within the context of a longer uptrend. The pattern forms two equal highs, with each high forming a wider, more rounded top. Volume description. Volume tends to drift downward during the formation and expand on the breakout. So it's like boom, boom, boom. It's expanding the volume. Breakout confirmation. A close below the lower trend line drawn horizontally across the intervening low between the highs right here with above average volume. So close below the lower trend line across the intervening low, the whole low between the highs right here with above average volume. Okay, so the measuring technique would be to measure the distance, measure the distance between the low and the two highs, boom, boom, and subtract it from the breakout level. And that's how you would determine how far down this will go. Statistical notes, formations with more range between the highs. Right here, this is what they call range consolidation. Formations with more range between the highs and lows. And right here, and right here. They perform better than shorter ranges. Formations with declining volume, with heavy volume on the left top up here, performs better. So it'll go further down into a sell. And so again, this is the double tops, Eve and Eve. And this is an example with the actual candles. This is what it will look like. So that is it. We went over, like I said, all of these patterns in the last couple of videos. The Adam and Eve, double tops, and the Eve and Adam and Eve, double tops. We will see you in the next video. Peace and power. And I'm out of here.